Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Vince and today we are going to have us a backyard clam bake. So at a traditional clam bake, you're probably on the beach, you have your pit dug, and you got all your ingredients together, some seaweed, some rocks, some firewood, and all your fish and seafood and all that. But since we're nowhere near a beach, we're going to take this to the backyard. Now whether you are in the Northeast, they have their version of a clam bake, or if you're way down south, they may have their version of a seafood boil. Feel free to use the seafood or ingredients that you choose to make your version of your clam bake. And so we're going to use shrimp, clams, some mussels, corn, potatoes, some lemons. We chose andouille sausage instead of chorizo, some onion, garlic, thyme, parsley, and some green onions. So let's get started putting our clam bake together. We're going to start with pre-cooking our potatoes and our corn just a little bit, so when they're on the grill they will finish cooking along with our seafood, and the flavors from everything will just mix together. And we're going to let our potatoes and our corn go for about 10 minutes. We don't want them to cook all the way. We definitely want to finish them off with the rest of our seafood. We're going to get started on our melted butter. So we've melted some butter and we're going to add some ingredients to it. We also have in our butter the rendered fat from our andouille sausage. So we're going to add our thyme, some parsley, our garlic. Feel free to add plenty of Old Bay. Don't be scared to use the Old Bay. Now we're going to be grilling our clam bake on a gas grill. So we've added a smoke box to give our clam bake a smoky flavor, and then we'll cover it with foil and let it steam the rest of the way. So let's go toss this on the grill. And we're going to leave this on our hot grill until our clams and mussels start to open and our shrimp are pink, a little opaque. We'll be ready to eat after that. Hey folks, we're gonna go enjoy this clam bake. Thanks for hanging out with us. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. We'll see you next time.